I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and initiating basic diagnostics. Check that your iPhone runs the latest iOS and has enough free space. Updates fix many camera bugs. Once done, force restart the device to clear temporary faults, then open Settings, Face ID, and passcode to trigger the Truedepth check. Make sure the front camera housing is clean and unobstructed, and remove any case or screen protector that could block sensors. This short sequence separates software causes from simple physical issues. Now you'll perform deeper software resets and diagnostics. Reset Face ID and re-enroll your face to rule out corrupted facial data. This often fixes authentication failures. If that fails, reset all settings to revert network and system preferences without erasing data, because hidden configuration conflicts can break Truedepth functionality. Next, run Apple Diagnostics via Settings or use a trusted repair tool to log hardware errors. These steps isolate whether the fault is system level, app level, or hardware-related. Finish by choosing the appropriate remedy based on your findings. If diagnostics indicate a hardware fault, schedule an Apple Store or authorized repair and request replacement of the Truedepth/front camera module. Technicians can verify serial-linked repairs. If software remains suspect, perform a DFU restore as a final attempt because it reloads firmware and iOS. If problems continue after repair, calibrate by letting Apple run post-repair tests. And remember, if intermittent, record exact failure steps to speed troubleshooting during service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.